Good evening. For the purpose of space research, most of the countries, including India, we go for the space exploration that is called space research. For that purpose, in India, we have an august body that is called ISRO. It stands for Indian Space Research Organization. Through launch vehicles, we place the satellites in the orbit. They move around and they get the information, and that information is transmitted to the Earth. This is what is being done by countries like America, Russia, China, Japan, and some countries are doing this. And India is surging beyond as far as the space research is concerned. But the issue is that what is the life of a satellite? So the life of the satellite, that all depends on how you are making it. That is the reason why after a period of time the life of a satellite is gone. Then what happens? What do you call it? That will become a dead satellite, and that is nothing but the space debris, or you also call it as space junk. So this is of unnecessary and unwanted material that is moving around the orbit, that is moving in the orbit of the Earth, and that is causing lots of nuisance and inconvenience for the live satellites. According to the estimation of NASA, there are 5 lakh, more than 5 lakh junk pieces that are orbiting the Earth. So what happens? Tomorrow, so one live satellite may be hitting this debris, and the live satellite will be damaged. And every satellite is made up of, by spending lots of amounts, and all the money will be wasted, and there will be so much of delay as far as the space research is concerned. Fine. Now, what are these material actually? What is the material that you are using to make these satellites? So this is basically, titanium and aluminum. Now, in order to reduce this problem of this space junk or space debris in the orbit, Japan started thinking innovatively, and Japan is planning to, make the satellites with wood. Meaning, very soon Japan is planning to send wooden satellites into the orbit. After the life is over, so the debris will be, it's not much damageable. That is the reason why Japan wants to make it. Of course, other countries have their own concerns and doubts, but still Japan is going ahead, and Japan is planning for this to put in the orbit in the year 2023. Please remember this one. So these are the points that are important for the examination. So which is the country that is important? That is Japan. And kindly have a look at this. Now I am opening the document. I'll show you the points now. So this is what? A pic by NASA. This is the space debris orbiting the Earth. So according to its estimates, more than 5 lakh pieces are present. Now the question on the screen: which country is planning to launch wooden satellites to solve the problems of space debris? India, America, Russia, or Japan? And the answer is option D, that is Japan. Kindly remember this. By which year? 2023. Look at this now. More than 5 lakh pieces of debris or space junk are tracked as they orbit the Earth. They all travel at a very speed, fast enough for a relatively small piece of orbital debris to damage a satellite or a spacecraft. Because when you are manufacturing, when you are launching, when you are placing, you are spending so much of money. And unfortunately, if something goes wrong, all the money, energy, time will get wasted. Now you have to clear this debris. Fine. So the rising population of space debris increases the potential danger to all space vehicles, but especially to the ISS, International Space Station, space shuttles, and other spacecrafts with humans aboard. Look at this. When it comes to space debris, it encompasses both natural meteoroids and artificial man made particles. Meaning, whenever we say space debris, it is both natural and artificial. Look at this. Meteoroids are in orbit about the sun, while most artificial debris is in orbit about the earth. Hence, the latter is more commonly referred to as orbital debris, meaning the debris that is present around the earth is called orbital debris. Look at this. In order to solve the problem of space debris, Japanese researchers are to launch wooden satellites by the year 2023. So, my dear friends, for the examination point of view, you should know what is space junk and how is it being created, what are all the problems, and what are the the potential dangers for ISS space shuttles, and especially for the spacecrafts where humans are also moving in, right? And which is the country that is planning for wooden satellites and by which year. So these are all the points that are important for the examination. Clear? So that's all for the day. I'll stop here and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.